All right, so let's take a look at assignment 4.6. This is the audio editing voiceover project. Now, there's a couple things you're going to need in order to effectively do this. One of those is obviously the session, so you're going to download the session from the session link. But you also will actually need one of the slides that's available, and it should be on your project section 2, has a voiceover script that's required. And this is how we're going to guide the voiceover edit that we're going to make. So a couple of the tools you're going to need to be using is you're going to be using the selector tool, and you're going to be toggling between shuffle and slip mode in order to get a lot of these done. So the first thing we need to do in step 1 is we're going to go to shuffle mode, and at any point that we can make it possible, we're going to delete or omit bad lines or elements that aren't working. Now, for now, just to make it all work, I'm going to kind of slide some of this stuff out of the way. And then I'm going to take a clean version of the script just because I have it in Word, as well as I'm just going to drop it into a Word doc. Oops. So that I have it available, and just slide it down to the bottom so that I can see it alongside of my Pro Tools. And so what I'm looking for is the first opening line to say Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations, and to see how far we can get into that. So I'm going to kind of listen to this and kind of keep going with it as it goes by.
What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Are we ready? Do you want me to start?
Sorry, so one thing to note. In step 1, it's asking you to go to shuffle mode and preview the clip. But then in step 2, it's asking that at any point that you see mistakes or dead space, to create markers to allow us to kind of have an understanding of where things are. So what I'm going to do in order to do that is on my keyboard, there's a little button that says FN, and that is the function key. If you hold the function key and hit return, that'll drop in a new marker, and it's going to put it up top in the timeline here anywhere we see anything. So we can say, all right, like I noticed from the very beginning, this is all dead space. This is all, it's like, this is talking. This isn't what we need, right? So we don't, right up top, we're already listening to stuff we don't need. As I push play, though, I'm going to continue to hit that function button to highlight certain things. So let's say even if I hear good pass, you know, sometimes what I like to do, and something that you can also do, is you can either highlight mistakes, but you could also highlight good stuff. So like, let's let it roll and watch what I do.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Are we ready? Do you want me to start? The Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations course is designed to help students master their skills in Pro Tools. Is designed to help students learn new skills in Pro Tools. The Audio 120 course, the Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations course is designed to help students learn new skills in Pro Tools. Sorry. You want to keep going? The Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations course is...
So some of this is usable right here, so I'm going to drop, and I'm actually going to say this part's good. I'm going to just drop it in the marker and keep going.
The Audio 120 Digital...
Obviously over here, function and return, there's a cough. We obviously can't use that. Let's jump on after and listen.
You want to keep going? The Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations is a course that's designed to help students learn new skills, grow, and succeed in Pro Tools.
So right at the bat, I can see like this one's good. This is part of I think the opening section. This one's also good over here. It's another part of the opening section. So I'm going to start to piece these together. Some of these I can shuffle. So like if I were to shuffle, like I'm starting, there's good stuff here. There's some stuff that I might need, so I'm not going to delete it yet. Let's listen to this part and how it matches. Looking at the script.
Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations is a course that's designed to help students learn new skills, grow, and succeed in Pro Tools.
So that whole section there can actually be cut up to work. I'm going to zoom into it real fast. We can actually highlight it and go into our zoom toggle.
Audio 120, digital audio 120, digital audio workstations.
So notice right here, we're in a good spot. We can also, it might also help to use the separate command just to gain some sort of traction. What I'm going to do is hit Command E to separate, to say, all right, I loved it to here. After this point, I don't know.
Is a course that is a course.
One of the things that I'm looking at is I want to find a way to say is.
Course that is course.
Is. So I'm going to cut off the is.
Design.
And here's that other spot that I want. So I'm going to click it, hit the Command E, and now if I hit delete.
Design. Is designed. Is designed. Is designed.
And now I might have to go find another sort of, let's see, designed.
Is designed to help students.
I'm going to go back and fix that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this.
To help students learn new skills.
And get rid of these dead gaps. So these ones are good.
Students learn new skills.
Nope, more dead stuff.
Grow and succeed is designed to help students grow and succeed in Pro Tools.
Again, more dead space. We're going to cut that out.
In Pro Tools.
It's okay to have a gap here for that next line, but not that long.
Is designed to help students learn new skills in operating Pro Tools.
Oh, listen to that. I have the is designed that I wanted that I didn't get here. So I go back to this one spot that was wacky.
Is designed to help students learn new skills.
Oh, let's listen to that one.
Is designed to help students learn new skills in operating Pro Tools.
But that's not what it said.
Is designed to help students learn new skills in operating Pro Tools.
Okay, so again.
Is designed to help students learn new skills.
Right at new skills, I can see that gap. I'm going to hit Command E. This I want to insert. Okay, so I'm going to go, so in this instance, I'm going to go to Slip, and I'm going to see where can I insert this.
Is designed to help students learn new skills.
And I notice this is where that gap is that I want to replace. I'm going to go ahead and delete those.
Is designed to help students learn new skills.
And drag that in. Now, if I shuffle it, it'll lock to that point. Like I can shuffle to this spot, and that way those lock. But if I shuffled before I dragged, it really creates another set of shuffling. So let's take a listen here.
Is designed to help students learn new skills, grow, and succeed in Pro Tools.
Now, I think it's going to get a little too tight if I shuffle it all the way. So I am going to give it a little bit of a gap. Maybe not much, but I might not want it all the way. I'm going to just adjust this trim. Make sure that feels okay.
Audio 120 digital audio workstations is designed to help students learn new skills, grow, and succeed in Pro Tools.
Okay, we got that part done. Great. Now we need to get this fast-paced course. Now, at no point in time has the second line existed off to the left. So I'm going to highlight everything else, hit shuffle, hit delete. Now from the front end, we should be good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate some of my markers. If I go to my grabber tool, I'm going to hold Option, and I can get rid of all these old ones. Now I need some new ones because now I need to shuffle through this news content because I got that. So from here to here, from the beginning to that other point, I'm going to drop in some new markers. This is great. And all the way to here, this is where I need part 2. Line 2 needs to start here. So I'm just going to drop that marker there, and let's go find it.
In Operating Pro Tools. This course is...
Oh, that's right, all this other stuff, I think, right?
This course is fast-paced. Yeah. This course is fast-paced. This course is fast-paced.
All right, I like this one the most. I'm going to highlight it. And this one's going to be great. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it. Command E. I realize I don't like this. This one's just okay. This is probably going to be the one that I use.
This course is fast-paced. This course is fast-paced. This course is fast-paced.
All right, and all I'm going to do, I like this one. I'm just going to copy it, drop it over here, listen to the two of these.
This course is fast-paced.
Oh yeah, sorry, that is fast-paced was here. Hold on. Right here.
Is fast-paced.
There we go.
This course is fast-paced.
And now a little bit of shuffle again. See how there's some gap here. Let's tighten that up.
This course is fast-paced.
Okay, don't need this anymore. Let's listen to what's left.
And offers many project opportunities for students to learn and grow and develop and gain confidence in their audio skills.
Now, a couple things. I'm realizing that the word grow is used twice. I'm going to highlight this part in shuffle mode, hit delete. But I realize what's great about this, let's listen to it real quick, is that we can eliminate the word grow in this phrase if we really wanted to.
And offers many project opportunities for students to learn and grow and gain confidence in their audio skills.
Great. I'm going to shuffle that. Let's listen. The gaps are a little long, a little boring, not as upbeat. I'm going to eliminate some of these things. Let's take a listen to this part.
This course is fast-paced and offers many project opportunities for students to learn and grow and gain confidence in their audio skills.
That last segment was just a little slow. What you'll notice, the first time you actually have a real voiceover gig, you realize you have to fit stuff that's just not going to fit inside a 15 or 30-second spot. You're gonna make these chops a lot harder. There's also a little bit of a lip smack on the front end there, so that's gonna get. I'm gonna staying in shuffle mode. I'm gonna eliminate that. I'm gonna shuffle that. So most of what you're doing is copy paste, shuffle, moving them around.
In Pro Tools, this course is fast-paced and offers many project opportunities for students to learn and grow and gain confidence in their audio skills.
Now, what's great about that is that and grow. It's like if we're like, you know what, we don't like grow two times in this whole script.
Learn and gain confidence in their audio skills.
We'd be able to do that. We'd be able to eliminate or adjust that. Now, we can do a little bit more with volume adjusting on that transition, but from here, if you felt like you got all the dead stuff kind of knocked out, there's not a lot of space, the transition's there, the whole script is in existence, you can decide to or to not drop that last grow the last time. I would honestly listen to it. You're going to triple click, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and you're going to hit Command F to do your batch fade. You'll set these up however you want. You can use the default settings. I'm not going to be a huge stickler on that. So whatever numbers you need to put in for that to make those transitions, as long as they seam together correctly, and then you listen to it.
Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations is designed to help students learn new skills, grow, and succeed in Pro Tools. This course is fast-paced and offers many project opportunities for students to learn and gain confidence in their audio skills. Audio 120 Digital Audio Workstations is
From here, all you're going to have to do is do your Command, Shift, and 4, and you're going to send a screenshot of your work to the MLP. And that's it.